Alright, turn the lights on. It's called playing with carbon arcs. I'm burning the table too, I think. Oh yeah. Well, let's do a little bit. Alright, that's enough of that. 2 blocks of steel, 2 carbon brushes, a Variac. Now, to do it properly, I should have these carbon brushes mounted in a variable screw type spark gap with air cooling. I noticed there's no amps really drawn from this Variac. It's interesting. It makes an odd sound here. A 9-volt battery will do the same, by the way. But a tiny bead of bright light. Anyway, I just wanted to do that for the fun of it, for some reason. Usually I use old batteries, carbon bars out of it. I don't want to, well, how much? All right, Major. So I did it with a 9-volt battery, but using my fingers is kind of hard. But it can be done. A couple of leads off that. Basically Tesla's carbon bead lighting system. If I put these in a parabolic mirror, it'd be pretty bright and blinding, so. Well, just a minute. I have an idea. So smokes. I haven't got a parabolic mirror, but I have a Fresnel lens, I believe. I think it's up here. Yeah. I don't know what this will do, if anything. I'll try it for the fun of it, huh? La la la. Smoke. Let's see what we do here, huh? I don't know. Let's see. Got a little bit of a spark going here. Nah, doesn't do much. Zoom in. Well, it causes alarms to go off. 5 minutes of this stuff.